you just stood in a corridor?
Oh, I'm waiting.
You're waiting.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
What are you waiting for, Phil?
The train.
You're waiting for the train.
Yep, waiting for the train.
Obviously. Well, what time is the train going to get here, Phil?
Should be about 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm excited to see this train, Phil.
I don't know. Probably won't be as exciting as you might think.
Well, where's the train going to take you?
I think as far as the kitchen.
Choo! Choo!
Train's arrived early.
Good times, Phil. Well, I wish you well on your journeys.
All aboard!
I gotta get going. See you later, man.
Bye, Phil.